So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Have pages showing as non-indexed in Google Search Console that you don't want Google to keep? Here's how to find and remove them. Firstly, open your WordPress dashboard and go to All-in-One SEO. Search Statistics, then SEO Statistics. Under Content Performance, look at the indexed column. Orange or red icons indicate pages with indexing issues. Hover over them to see the reason. You can also go to Posts, All Posts or Pages, then All Pages. The AIOSEO Details column shows indexing status for each page. Now, if you find a page you don't want indexed, open it in WordPress. You can delete the page if it's no longer needed, or set it to non-index if you want to keep it on your website but prevent Google from indexing it. If the URL is already appearing in Google, open Google Search Console. Removals. Then click New Request and enter the URL and submit the removal request. And that's it, how you find, remove and manage unwanted pages in Google Search Console. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more quick website tutorials.